What's up guys, in this video I've purchased 2 storage units. I'm just cracking the first one open now. Let's see what we got. So mainly what I thought would be nice in here is going to be these tires, or I thought they were tires. That actually feels like rims. What is it? Luggage. Let's see what's in here. Underwear, clothes. Bet the whole thing is clothes. Jeans. Looks like garage sale stuff. Looks like blankets, linen, and winter stuff. There's more stuff in here than I thought there would be. Black & Decker sucks. Think that gold chain's real? Maybe not. Could be some vintage tees. Whoa. Definitely smells like gas in here. Oh, is this a TV? Guys, this is a TV. What brand? LG. Nice. Kirby. What's Kirby? Vacuum parts? Jumps. See what these look like. Looks like 4 rims. I don't know anything about brands. They look alright. Hey, look what I found. Zayax